So there's two steps in selecting cases. The first one is to decide how you're going to select it, and then the second one is to decide what you're actually going to do with it. So you got three options. Filter out the unselected cases, but keep the not selected ones in the data set. Or you can just copy the selected cases and create a new data set, or you can delete the unselected cases from your current data set. So let's look at an example. Let's say we select cases and we decide we're gonna select gender equals 1. So we're gonna select all the females in this case. We hit OK. And now currently we're just filtering out the men. So the men are still in there, but they're filtered out. Now what we could do is, again, we're using the same selection procedure, gender equals 1, but now we change the output. So we say copy the selected cases to a new data set, and let's call this Red Bull experiment females. Hit OK, and what happens? We get a new data set with only the females. Red Bull, only the females. So you see here participant value 1, gender equals 1 is female, and you see all the genders are just females. Right. Now this is particularly handy if you want to have two different data sets. What you can also do is select cases and then delete the unselected cases. Personally, I don't really recommend it as much because you know, if you are not careful and you haven't had other copies of your data set, there's a chance of you getting rid of data and not being able to recover it. So right now here you see we only have females left. This is the original data set and all the males are gone. So let's see if we can undo it, and you cannot undo this. So therefore it's really important to have original copies. We didn't save it here, so if we open up the original data file again, we should be fine. But anyways, it's always a good idea to have original data sets in multiple copies. So here we have the original data set.